cold for this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cold for sure.
I do not want to be out here in this cold weather yet.
Yeah.
Well, not at all, really.
Please.
Hopefully, it ain't going to be a waste of a day. It is borderline too cold, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
So, the last 2 weeks I wanted to go, but we were in Bradenton, the PRI show, and now here we are.
Yeah.
It's just, we did small changes on it. We'll see what we got.
The new record to break is what? 879? 76?
76.
Okay.
Boys, I swear to God. What happened?
So yeah, we're gonna try to go fast. And not, you know what? I'm not gonna say try. We're gonna go fast.
We're gonna go fast as boy.
I said a conservative 67.
Okay.
Low 60s.
But we're looking to go low 60s.
Dude, I'm saying 850.
Dude, if we go 850, I'm shitting on the track.
What we got, baby?
Oh!
548's the 8. What's the DA?
Holy.
1395.
Almost 1400 DA.
God damn. 50 fucking 5! I didn't see them all an hour. Whoa. It felt good, dude. I was like, I'm running this bitch out the back. Dude, I heard the 1-2 or the 2-3 shit. I was like,
We just not only took the ZL1 record, I think we took the LT4
we
record.
torched the C7 record too,
Yes,
dude.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
By
sir.
2/10, we took the ZL1 record. So.
All that shit talking. You sure about that? What's it say, Bob?
48, baby.
Holy fuck.
Who the fucking is?
Show me that slip right now. 12260.
542, I'll go 539.
Here we go 39.
Here's the DA.
DA's
It was 1100 when we were up there.
963.
960. Yeah, it was 1100 on the
Probably
start
dropped
line.
a good bit.
Degrees out of it, and some fuel. That's how good the air is. So
Yeah.
I'm worried about this engine.
You
Honestly,
checked the DA yet? I haven't looked myself.
It's aggressive. It's like negative 1500 or something.
Okay. Good air.
Yeah, but it's really too good. I like it at like 300 to 0 feet.
Yeah. DA right now.
Yeah, the barometer and the grains are out of control too, so it's just really dry air.
Okay.
They run good in this, but they also blow up. So I want to beat the ZR1 record, C7 ZR1 record.
And that is.
Fuck the LT4 record. I want the ZR1 record. 833.
833. Okay. It looks like we got some work to do. What y'all think?
It's doable.
Doable?
I don't know.
Jared?
Low 30s.
Low 30s?
34.
34.
Wow, Bob.
Okay.
I really want to go faster than 33. You're gonna say 34.
Oh, I don't know.
843. Jesus
Right
Christ.
on the trailer, right in your head.
Talk to him. Turn down, off the trailer, 843, fastest stock blower LT4 on the planet. Again, no problem. Ain't that right?
Heavier, faster,
Heavier,
greener.
faster, greener. Check that out. Let's see the numbers. Let me see. Here, turn away from the sunlight. Get back and check it out, and probably come back for another pass.
time?
848. What you think? You see the slip?
Yeah, the fuzz told me. I mean, it was it was like 5 degrees down on timing. I'm like, this thing feels like a turd out here.
It looked
Honestly,
like it left
like
hard.
it left slow, and I looked up at the clock.
I'm like feeling it. I'm like, it felt good, but I'm like,
What
I was like,
it
it probably just went like a 60 something. He's like, 143. I'm like, okay.
it was 12260.
I know. I seen it on the board. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah, yeah.
So we took the record back off the fucking trailer again. So
Yeah. What do you say we throw some power in this son of a bitch?
130 in the fucking 8th. That's because it pulled all that fucking timing. It can go 163 probably, guarantee it.
Alright, well, looks like we got a little bit of work to do.
I was just hoping I still had oil pressure at that. I was like,
Yeah.
I was looking at my mirror and shit.
I mean, it didn't go as fast as I thought it was gonna go. So.
Yeah, but
Right off the trail.
No, I'm just saying.
Can't
little
bitch
bit
about
more.
that.
I
Try to,
expected that.
Try to push it up and back it into this shit so we're not dumping it on the same.
Fucking scale with 3715,
3710.
3710.
3710, so a
Ain't
little
no
heavier
fucking
this time.
3,300 pounds.
Uh-uh.
Well, I'm glad we got that out of the way without breaking anything. Now I can stand on the bitch.
Yeah.
Because I like
let's
put
go.
it in safe mode to fucking get down right there. So
Let's go, man. Let's see the DA.
what is it?
Negative 1500.
Holy shit!
What are the grains? 17.
Hopefully it hooks. I felt the chatter a little bit on that one on the 60. Damn, track's cold. So,
Yeah.
um,
Maybe the sun will move over top a little bit more and get some sunshine on it.
yeah. The key actually is to. We usually don't show it in the video, but roll out past the burnt beam
Right.
and not like you don't have to be smoking the tires. Just roll past it
Right.
after you're on the burnout, and it gets the track a little warm.
Yeah.
So you back up in your tracks.
Right.
Helps.
For the people who don't know.
Yeah, so all the shops out there that don't know, there you go. I was like, I was looking at this 60-foot cone, fucking passing. I'm like, and it's just 121. I'm like, oh fuck.
Man, we
I felt it like threw me through the fucking windshield. It was like, whoa. I was like, oh my god.
It
It was
would-
up there. I don't care.
If it would have made it through that pass, like,
It was
It was-
30s.
It was going 30 easily.
oh, yeah. We think we might be able to take it a little bit further if it'll live through it.
It would have fucking went. I'm telling you right there, it felt so fucking strong. I'm like, holy fuck. On
Did
the
it make it
60.
to the 8th or no?
Oh no. I know we're at 330.
It's actually still swiveled the tire with the wheels up. If the wheels weren't up like that, it probably wouldn't have made it through. It would have spun.
We gotta get the slip or if there's anything there. Well, that's a wrap for today.
That was on fire.
See you guys next time.
Like